Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Paulami and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to make a recipe that is most viewed recipe on my website, that is spicetrip.nl. As you've already guessed from the title of this video, we will be making paneer in coconut milk. Now that combination for any true Indian does not sound right, because paneer is something which is eaten primarily in north of India, and that's where you don't have coconut because the coconut grows in the coastal line. But I thought, let's combine the two and see if they taste good at all. So what we need for the recipe today: so I'm going to be using this paneer. So if you live in the Netherlands, you would see this paneer at any Asian store. This is not a sponsored video, but I really hope if people from this company are watching me to sponsor any more paneer videos, because I love paneer. And then we use some coconut milk. We would need some tomato puree. You can also use tomato paste or fresh tomatoes. And then we will need one medium onion that has been finely chopped like this, some ginger garlic paste, fresh green chilies for that kick, and a lot of powdered spices. So I'm going to show you how they are all going to be used in the recipe when we go along. So let's start the recipe. To start with the recipe, we have to first cut the paneer into cubes. I'm using 400 grams of paneer, and this is good enough for 4 people. So this is how you want your paneer to be, of this size. To start the dish, so we'll take a pan like this and add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. We add our cumin seeds. There goes the onion. And we would cook this onion for a good 6 to 7 minutes. Time to add our ginger garlic paste. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. It looks beautifully golden, so I will go ahead and add my green chilies, and I will add 70 grams of tomato puree. If you don't have a puree, you can actually substitute this with 2 large tomatoes that have been finely chopped. Just go ahead and mix it really well. We would add 1 teaspoon of salt, and the spices that go in it: half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 full big teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. But if you wish, you can also, if you don't have Kashmiri red chili, a regular red chili powder is fine, but then lower the quantity. 1 full scoopful of coriander powder, and a scoopful of cumin powder. That's it. We will mix it all up really well. Now this looks good to me. So I'm going ahead and adding 100 milliliters of water. And along with this, we will be adding 250 milliliters of coconut milk. So now the coconut milk is in there, and we will give it a really good stir. What we need to do now is put a lid on this and let this cook on a simmer for the next 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes, and look at how beautifully the spices have gotten combined with the coconut milk. So we'll go ahead and add all the paneer that we had chopped. And before we mix it, we will add garam masala, so around half a teaspoon of garam masala, and in the next 5 minutes we are ready to serve this dish. And what I would do is just finish this dish with some fresh coriander leaves, and that's it. Our dish is done. Let's taste this. Really good. And the paneer is still very soft, as you can see. So I hope you liked this recipe and you would give this a try. You would find the written recipe in the description box as well. And I cannot wait to see your creation of this dish very soon. So take care and have a really nice spiced filled day. Take care and bye.